Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick LeVar. So in this video, I'm going to answer a question that a lot of people always ask me, and it's like, what gear should I buy when I start getting into mobile filmmaking? And in this video, I'm going to run down everything that you need, and it's all in one kit. Stay tuned. So guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Patrick LeVar. I'm a mobile filmmaker and photographer, and I built this whole YouTube channel off of just basically filming with my smartphone and my mobile device. So if you guys are into that, consider hitting that subscribe button and that like button. So actually, don't even hit the like button until after you watch the video, and if you like it, then hit the like button. Anyways, let's get into it. The first kit we're going to be looking at here is the one from Uskeyvision. They're all from Uskeyvision here. They did send these out for me and allow me to share them with you. So we're going to look at the extendable vlog kit here, and I think to be exact, this is the EK2 Roman model here, which is pretty cool. It has a separate remote, which the other one doesn't. So if we quickly get into here, we got our tripod here. Let me get that locked in for you guys there. We got our tripod here, which is pretty cool. It's extendable, so we can extend this on this tripod here. We got these legs that open up here, so it can be put on a table. It's more like a table tripod here. And then also here on the top, it does come with our option here to slap in our cell phone, and which is really nice here, it's stretchable kind, so it kind of pulls in there very nice and tight here. And one other thing here I like here is this on the back here. If you put this here, it's in the unlock position, and this allows me to pivot the head around, and then when I'm ready to lock it in position here, you just kind of fold this tab over, and it is super snug, guys. Like, that is not going anywhere. That is in there nice and firm. The quality here is pretty fantastic. You know, so the heart, we got it's made out of plastic here. What is it made out of plastic these days, you know? So here we got a little slot here. This is where the remote will go into here. Also in the kit, you do get a microphone, which is fantastic here. Nice little microphone. I am currently using one of their microphones from their other kit at the moment, so you guys do get to hear what it sounds like. You also get this nice little light here, which is fantastic. On this light here, we can control the white balance here and the brightness. So here I can control the brightness, and then we can go like that. Here's our color balance, is more towards the warm amber here, and then if I go vice versa, I can go more towards the blue daylight color here, and then we also can control the brightness of it. It gets pretty bright. I mean, come on, that's a great little light there. And what I like that the fact that it's really diffuse, which really helps us to get good lighting on a diffuse here. And it also has a cap here. Actually, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. This one does not have the cap. One of the other kits I have from them has the cap, and it pulls it off there. Here is also nice. We got a cold shoe mount here all around. We got 1, 2, 3, which gives you options when you hook up the microphone. You don't have to have it on top. You can also have it off to the side there. Very clever. I like that. USB charge here, so you don't have to worry about batteries. And then what also we get here in the kit, we get our dead cat, our fluffy dead cat here. When you're outside, when you got wind blowing, these are a go-to. I always use these things anytime I'm filming outside or doing any type of recording where there's wind around. Also do have one more for like indoors, just to get rid of the poof, 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 when you're just kind of, you know, kind of close to the mic. I'm a little bit far away from the mic, so I don't have that issue, but these are nice to put on there. Great little covers there. That's cool that they give you two, you know, which I was really happy about. And then inside this nice little Uskeyvision pouch here, we also have a bunch of accessories, which I love accessories. The more the better. And one thing I kind of found out was really thoughtful. They gave us these replacement rubber bands for the microphone. I used to have a Rogue microphone similar to this setup, and it had the plastic setup here, and it broke, and then I wasn't able to use the mount again ever again. Like, so I love the fact that these have rubber bands on here, so you don't have to worry about these little plastic pieces breaking, and you can just replace it with a rubber band. And if you can go get more rubber bands anywhere in the store, you know, that's super easy. So this is the microphone mount, which is super fantastic. Just slaps the mic in there like that, and then boom, we got the microphone set up on there. And again, a little shock mount. And again, like I said, we could throw that here on the top and then tighten that down, or if we prefer, we can go and have it on the side mount, which I kind of prefer on the side, so we don't have this big old thing protruding out on the top there. So that works out really nice. Super convenient there. Love that. Then also, we have one thing unique about this one. It has the remote When you have your phone hooked up to the Bluetooth, you can start and stop your recording. Or if you're taking photos, you can also snap photos. But this is kind of clever here. It kind of slides on right here. All right, so there, connects on the front. So if you're vlogging, I mean, that's why I say this is a really good kit for vlogging. You pull it off, you know, and then you got your camera here. Let me unlock that. Boom. And then you got your camera. Wow, that thing is nice and snug. I love that it's nice and snug and not too loose there. And then when you're out filming, you know, just hit record. Boom, you're ready to go. Super clever. I love that right there. It's really good, especially like I said, for all you vloggers. Then what else do we get in here? We do get the cables. Now this is one thing that I like, you know, right? You get the cable here for your cell phone and a camera. So all of this stuff can also just be used for a camera. Matter of fact, the camera that I'm filming on right now, the base is one of these Uskey Vision base. It's a different one. It's another kit, their V Master kit. This part is separate, and I'm actually using that mount on my camera right now, which I think is super fantastic. So, you know, this really sets you up for when you even do get a camera. Then you got your power cable here for charging, and this is very thoughtful. You get a little clap here for setting up your GoPro. If you guys do any GoPro recording, you can, you know, boom, set this up, and you can still integrate it with this whole kit here, which I thought was also super fantastic. A lot of kits don't include the GoPro mounts. That kind of stuff is separate. And then we got our instructions inside here, how to set everything up. So I mean, this is a nice clutch little system here. I'll have the price down here below. I don't know right off the moment, but you guys should see the price somewhere here up on screen. And it's fantastic. It really a good kit to get you started. And one thing I love about this grip here, it's nice and beefy. It's a good nice size. Here it's not a little skimpy one. So when you're doing out and you got your vlogging, this is a good setup here. So if you guys are finding any value in this video, can you take a moment and smash that like button, or possibly share this out to somebody who also might benefit from this video. Alright guys, so the next kit we're going to be looking at here is their flexible mobile vlogger kit. It comes with these flexi legs here, and the model that we're going to be looking at in particular here is the K2, the Flex K2. I also do have the Flex K1. And I think the difference is the light on the Flex K1, and the Flex K1 does not come with this side arm here. And you can see this other, the Flex, what is it? The Flex K3 comes with 2 of the additional arms. These are the arms that I was telling you about that we can use in the other kit that I had, the vlogger kit. So if you had that, and here's that little arm I was telling you about. It basically just screws onto the side there. It's really cool. It gives you an option. It just gives you more options. You can have a light there, or I've even used this and had a battery pack sitting here on the side. So it just opens up things for options, and it just screws in here. You can go on either side. And when I'm doing desktop, I actually use it as a microphone. Boom. I'll have my tripod kind of set. And what's with the flexi legs, guys? Come on. You gotta love the flexi legs. It just gives you so much versatility here. So again, I would have my microphone here and closer to my mouth here, and then have my camera here up on the top. So this is my K1 kit. This was the first kit that they sent out with the flexi option, which is very nice. I quite enjoy. And this actually came with the V Master series. This was from another kit. You can take a look at this link here, and you can see their other kit that I also had there. So getting into this kit here, let's see what we got here. And again, the cases are fantastic, guys. I love companies that just spend a little bit of time and give you a nice, good case. It's not that foam core case type stuff. It's good. It feels good to the touch. It feels like you're getting some quality, right? Of course, here we go. This one is a fresh open. I haven't even opened this. And again, save the world. Let's reduce plastic, guys. This light is a little bit different than the other light that came in here. On this light, we do have I'm not sure if we have color balance on this one. I don't think we get the color balance on that one. Right, let's see, we can tap in here, just the brightness. Yeah, this is just the brightness. On the other one here, we actually had we can control the white balance here, and the color temperature. This one we do not. This one had the 3 tripod mounts. This one just has the 1 on the top, but this one does have that little cover, I tell you, the little diffusion cover. We could put that on there just like that, right? And it's got the levels here. Pretty bright, pretty bright. So that's the difference between the lights there, definitely. I prefer this one here. The tripod is pretty much the same tripod that was in the other kit. minus that little area that we had there for mounting the remote, right? We don't have that option on this one here. Same system, we can pull this tight and then lock it here, or we can open that up and then boom, we got that there. Same here, same type of head, right? Flip that down. We got that going there, so that's all pretty much the same. And we got the flexi legs. Then we do have the microphone here. I think it's pretty much the same microphone that we had in the other kit. Same thing there. And then as far as accessories, we have the same thing. We have basically both our fuzzy mic and our indoor mic covers. But unlike the other kit, this one does come with the flexi arm. We got this one here, so this one's works out pretty nice. This is a little flexi arm. I really enjoy these little flexi arms. They work out really nice with their tripods. I've used them in different types of variations. And then again, in our accessory pack, we have our nice little bag and pretty much the same accessories minus the remote. We do have our GoPro setup here. I won't, but you guys seen that. There's our GoPro setup. And then we also have both our cables, our one for cell phone and our one for camera, basically there, so you're good with that. And then we also have our mount, our cell phone mount, which I love their their microphone mounts. I love their microphone mounts. Here's our microphone mount. Super fantastic with the rubber bands, and I just dropped the rubber bands on the floor. We get replacement rubber bands. So that is pretty much the difference between this kit. We do get that extendable arm and we don't have the remote. The other kit, basically the other one that they have, has both of these arms that comes with it. So if you're into that, so it really depends on what your needs are. If you don't need these arms, you can go with the vlogging kit that I showed you earlier, or if you want the flexibility of these, which is nice because when you're out in the field, let me grab it here. When you're out in the field, it's nice to, I've actually had this thing mounted in some pretty, funky ways. I've had it wrapped around my handlebars of my bike. This is kind of like, reminds me of the old Joby, but the Joby tripods that are super flexible. So I've even used this arm and had it just kind of slung on a bar when I was outside taking some photos. So these flexi gives you options, right? They give you some options, but I would say definitely it depends on what your needs are and what you're going to do with it. So I hope this video helps you guys out in a little bit with making your decision on grabbing a kit like this. I think it's better to grab a kit with everything in it than trying to nitpick and pick everything individually. I also have this video here which I go into another in-depth on another one of their kits, the V series, that has a couple of more things, and you might want to take a look at that. So enough with the jibber jabber. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video on this kits here, and I hope that I was able to help you out. Smash that like button if you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember, keep shooting, keep filming. That's the only way you'll get better. Peace. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there.